Building a strong retirement portfolio is essential for anyone looking to secure their financial future. But if you're like most people, you might be relying heavily on traditional investments like stocks and bonds. While those can work well, they come with risks, especially in uncertain economic times. The good news is there are alternative investments that can diversify your portfolio and provide an extra layer of security. And in this video, we'll dive into how to use them effectively. Before we get started, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to check out the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their wealth, and I'll tell you why that could be one of the smartest moves you can make. Now, let's talk about building a strong retirement portfolio with alternative investments. When most people think of retirement savings, they think of traditional options like stocks or mutual funds. But here's the thing, these can expose your savings to significant market volatility. That's where alternative investments come in. One of the best ways to diversify your portfolio and shield it from market swings is by adding precious metals, like gold, to your mix. Gold has been a proven store of value for centuries, especially during times of economic downturn or inflation. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold tends to hold its value when the dollar weakens, which is why many retirees are turning to gold IRAs. These accounts allow you to invest in gold and other precious metals within a tax-advantaged retirement account, helping you protect your wealth without the tax penalties. But gold isn't the only alternative investment worth considering. Real estate, for example, is another powerful tool that can generate passive income. Whether it's through rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate can offer both growth and stability. Plus, you can leverage real estate for tax advantages through depreciation and other strategies, making it a solid long-term investment. However, when you compare real estate and gold for your retirement portfolio, there's one big advantage with gold: liquidity. Real estate can be harder to sell quickly when you need access to cash, while gold is easily tradable. That's why gold IRAs continue to be a top choice for many retirees with substantial savings, especially for those with over 100K in an IRA or 401K, or even 5 Plus in savings. Another alternative worth exploring is private equity. This is essentially investing in private companies that aren't publicly traded. While this can offer higher returns, it also carries a higher level of risk, making it less ideal for retirees looking for more stability. Gold, on the other hand, offers a much safer, time-tested option to preserve wealth over time. Now, if you're interested in getting started with alternative investments like gold but don't know where to begin, I highly recommend checking out the Gold IRA guide in the description. It walks you through everything you need to know, from the basics to more advanced strategies, helping you take control of your retirement savings. This is especially important if you're serious about safeguarding your wealth from inflation and market crashes. Gold IRAs offer a tangible asset that holds value, providing peace of mind for anyone looking to protect their hard-earned savings. In conclusion, building a strong retirement portfolio with alternative investments is a smart way to diversify and protect your wealth. While options like real estate and private equity can be valuable, gold remains one of the safest and most liquid ways to secure your savings, especially for retirees. If you're ready to take the next step and protect your wealth, click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. This is perfect for American retirees with over 100K in an IRA or 401K or more than $5 in savings. Don't wait. Take action today and give yourself the financial security you deserve.